The dream of earning money while you sleep has attracted many people for years. In Kenya, one of the most practical ways to build passive income is through local ebooks. Unlike physical products that require storage, transportation, and continuous production, an ebook can be created once and sold repeatedly to customers across the country and even beyond. If properly planned and marketed, an ebook business can grow into a reliable source of income that generates 50,000 Kenya shillings or more every month. Many people think passive income means doing nothing. In reality, passive income usually requires significant effort at the beginning. You must research, write, package, market, and improve your product. The reward comes later, when the product continues generating sales without requiring the same amount of work that went into creating it. An ebook is one of the few digital assets that can provide this opportunity because it can be copied and delivered instantly at almost no extra cost. The first step is understanding what people are willing to pay for. Successful ebooks solve real problems. People rarely spend money on information that is interesting but not useful. They are more likely to buy content that helps them make money, save money, improve their careers, start businesses, improve farming activities, learn valuable skills, or solve everyday challenges. Before writing anything, spend time identifying a problem that many people face and are actively trying to solve. One of the best ways to discover profitable topics is by observing discussions on social media platforms, online forums, YouTube comments, and business groups. Pay attention to questions that are asked repeatedly. If hundreds of people are asking how to start a poultry farming business, how to make money online, how to grow avocados profitably, or how to start a successful side hustle, there is likely demand for a detailed guide that provides practical solutions. Many aspiring writers make the mistake of creating content based on what they personally like, rather than what the market wants. The market decides whether an ebook succeeds. A topic may be interesting to you, but if few people are searching for it or willing to pay for it, sales will be difficult. Successful digital entrepreneurs focus on market demand first and personal preference second. After identifying a promising topic, define your target audience clearly. Do not write for everyone. An ebook aimed at university students will be different from one aimed at farmers, entrepreneurs, or employed professionals. The more specific your audience, the easier it becomes to create content that addresses their needs directly. Suppose you decide to write about starting a small poultry farming business. Instead of creating a general guide about chickens, you could write a practical handbook showing how someone can start a poultry project with 20,000 Kenya shillings and grow it into a profitable enterprise. Such a guide would be far more attractive because it focuses on a specific outcome. Research is critical when creating valuable content. Gather accurate information from trustworthy sources. Interview experienced people if possible. Study successful examples. Collect data, figures, and practical insights that readers can immediately apply. Your goal should be to create the most useful resource available on the chosen topic. The quality of the content will determine whether customers recommend it to others. People who receive genuine value often become your best marketers. They share their experiences with friends, family members, colleagues, and online communities. Word-of-mouth marketing remains one of the strongest forms of promotion, especially in Kenya, where personal recommendations influence many purchasing decisions. When writing the ebook, use simple language. Avoid unnecessary technical terms. Organize the content logically. Begin with an introduction that explains the problem. Then provide step-by-step solutions. Include examples, case studies, checklists, action plans, and practical tips. Readers appreciate content they can immediately implement, rather than long theoretical discussions. A professional appearance also matters. A well-designed cover creates a strong first impression. Many buyers judge digital products by how they look before they evaluate the actual content. Invest time in creating an attractive cover that communicates professionalism and value. Even if the content is excellent, a poor cover may reduce sales significantly. Formatting should be clean and easy to read. Use headings, short paragraphs, bullet points where appropriate, and sufficient spacing. Readers increasingly consume content on smartphones, so the ebook should display well on mobile devices. Remember that many Kenyan internet users primarily access digital content through their phones. Pricing is another important factor. Many beginners underprice their work because they fear customers will not buy. However, low prices often create the impression that the content has little value. Instead of focusing solely on affordability, focus on the value delivered. If an ebook helps someone start a business that could earn thousands of Kenya shillings every month, charging 1,000 or 2,000 Kenya shillings may be reasonable. Consider a simple income calculation. If your ebook sells for 1,000 Kenya shillings, you need 50 sales per month to earn 50,000 Kenya shillings. If it sells for 2,000 Kenya shillings, you only need 25 sales. This demonstrates why creating a high-value product can be more effective than relying on large sales volumes. Distribution is easier today than ever before. You can sell directly through your website, social media pages, messaging applications, or digital marketplaces. Mobile payment solutions have made it convenient for customers to pay instantly. Once payment is received, the ebook can be delivered automatically or manually depending on your setup. Building trust is essential when selling digital products. Many online buyers are cautious because they have encountered scams or low-quality products in the past. Provide clear descriptions of what the ebook contains. Share previews or sample pages. Display testimonials from satisfied customers whenever possible. Transparency increases confidence and improves conversion rates. Marketing is often the biggest challenge. Creating an excellent ebook is only half the battle. People cannot buy what they do not know exists. Effective marketing requires consistency and patience. Content marketing is one of the most sustainable strategies. By regularly publishing useful articles, videos, and social media posts related to your niche, you attract people who are already interested in the subject. For example, if your ebook focuses on small business ideas, you can create blog posts discussing entrepreneurship, side hustles, investment opportunities, and startup challenges. Each piece of content becomes an opportunity to introduce readers to your ebook. Over time, this approach builds authority and trust. Video content can be especially powerful. Many people prefer watching videos rather than reading articles. Creating educational videos related to your topic can generate traffic and establish credibility. At the end of each video, you can recommend your ebook as a resource for those who want more detailed guidance. Email marketing remains one of the most effective methods for selling digital products. Encourage visitors to join your mailing list by offering a free checklist, mini-guide, template, or resource. Once someone subscribes, you can build a relationship by sending valuable information regularly. Eventually, promoting your paid ebook becomes much easier because trust has already been established. Search engine optimization can also provide long-term benefits. When your website ranks for relevant search terms, people discover your content without requiring paid advertising. Articles that answer common questions can continue attracting visitors for months or even years. This steady flow of traffic can generate consistent ebook sales. Artificial intelligence search systems are becoming increasingly important. These systems often prioritize content that answers questions clearly and provides practical value. Creating detailed, accurate, and easy-to-understand content increases the chances of being recommended by both traditional search engines and artificial intelligence-powered search tools. Another strategy for increasing revenue is creating multiple products. Relying on a single ebook can limit growth. Instead, develop a collection of related resources. For example, if your first ebook teaches people how to start a poultry business, your second could focus on poultry disease management, while the third could cover poultry marketing strategies. Customers who purchase one product are often willing to buy others. Bundles can increase average sales value. Instead of selling 3 separate ebooks individually, you can package them together at a discounted price. Customers feel they are receiving greater value, while you earn more revenue from each transaction. Updating your content regularly is equally important. Markets change, technologies evolve, and customer needs shift over time. A guide that was highly valuable a few years ago may become outdated if not revised. Periodic updates improve customer satisfaction and maintain competitiveness. Many people quit too early because they expect immediate results. Building a passive income stream usually takes time. The first few months may produce little revenue. However, consistent effort compounds over time. Every article published, every subscriber gained, every social media follower acquired, and every satisfied customer contributes to future growth. Patience is one of the most underrated ingredients of success. Most successful digital entrepreneurs spent months or even years building their audience before achieving significant income. Persistence often separates those who succeed from those who give up. Imagine having 3 high-quality ebooks that each generate 20 sales per month at a price of 1,000 Kenya shillings. That would result in 60,000 Kenya shillings in monthly revenue. Because digital products have very low ongoing costs, much of that income can become profit. The beauty of ebooks lies in their scalability. Whether you sell one copy or 1,000 copies, the product remains the same. There is no need to manufacture additional units or manage physical inventory. This allows income to grow without a corresponding increase in workload. Building a 50,000 Kenya shillings monthly passive income stream through ebooks is not a fantasy. It is a realistic goal for individuals willing to identify market needs, create valuable content, market consistently, and remain patient during the growth process. The journey requires dedication, learning, and persistence, but the long-term rewards can be substantial. The most successful creators focus on helping people achieve real results. When your ebook genuinely improves someone's life, business, career, or finances, sales become easier because the product delivers meaningful value. Instead of chasing quick profits, concentrate on solving problems better than anyone else. Over time, that commitment to value can transform a simple digital document into a reliable source of passive income and financial freedom. /span/p/body